How to draw up liquid medications with a syringe. Liquid medications are often given with an oral syringe. An oral syringe has specific measurement lines that are used to ensure the right amount or dose of medication is being drawn up into the syringe. Here are the steps for using an oral syringe. First, wash your hands and make sure you have the right medication bottle. Then, gently roll the medication bottle between your hands to ensure the medication is mixed well. Next, remove the cap from the bottle. Insert the bottle syringe adapter if available. Insert the tip of the oral syringe into the syringe adapter. Turn the bottle upside down and gently pull the plunger of the syringe until the medication reaches the correct amount. The top of the plunger should be at the measurement line to draw up the correct dose. If you aren't using a syringe adapter, hold the bottle in your hand or place it on a table. Insert the tip of the oral syringe into the bottle and gently pull up the plunger to the appropriate measure line. Next, turn the syringe so the tip is pointing toward the ceiling. Tap the syringe to move the air bubbles to the top of the syringe. Finally, slowly push the plunger until any big air bubbles are gone, making sure the top of the plunger is at the correct measurement line. Northern Illinois Hospice, first in caring for life's final months.